Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How to Guide. And in this video, I am going to show you how to fix if your TikTok live stream is suspended. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. First of all, open your TikTok application and go to your profile. And from there, you just simply have to click into this 3 bars into the top right. Now after clicking there, you will get this 3 option. Click into setting and privacy, and after clicking there, scroll down to all the way bottom and you will get this report a problem option. Click into that. After clicking into report a problem, it will take a short amount of time to process and then load this screen. And into here, you just simply have to select live in here. Just simply select what kind of problem that you are having into your life, and after selecting the issue, and then it will give you the option of live is suspended. Click into that and then it will move you into the another screen. Just simply click to no option into here and then click to need more help. From here, just simply fill this box with the details about your issue, and then you can include 4 screenshots and 1 screen record of the problem that you are having. And after that, click to the submit button, which will be enabled after filling this details option. And then whenever TikTok support team will get a review, your live will start working again. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.